Ang hanap buhay namin ng mga pamilya, galing pa sa ninuno namin. Dumating yung Bagyo Yolanda, November 8, naglaho lahat ng pangarap namin. Pati kabuhayan namin, ubos, pati bahay, damage yun. Total wash out.
Okay, what we are doing right now is we are demarcating the fish sanctuary of the Babatngon. First, we have to relocate the technical description based using the GPS. And after finding, then we have to install already the marker buoy. So this is only one point of the total area of the fish sanctuary. It's very important that we have these marker buoys. It's a part of the visibility that this area is protected one and no one should enter, fish, or do any activities.
Para naman ma-regenerate din yung mga fishes namin dyan, yung mga mangroves na nandyan sa paligid, fish coral, mga corals, at saka iba pang fishery resources na nandyan sa paligid. Yun ang importante sa amin.
We envision that this thing will be a partnership of our government, the private sector, as well as the people, no? And particularly the one concerned here is the people. If we forming them as a group, I think the cooperation will not be only a short-term duration, but will be a long-term duration and will be what you call sustainable.
Dahil sa bigay ng makina na yon, magbabago ang buhay namin. Kasi diyan kami kikita ng mga mangingisda. Ma-improve talaga ang pangingisda namin. Makakatulong sa mga pamilya namin yun. Baka pag-aral pa ng mga anak yun. Malaking halaga para sa amin.